Hello there, sewing friends. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on how to make ruffles with tulle. So I already started, so I thought I should share it with you. So can you see I'm making the ruffles around the neckline? Can you see? So this is what a tulle looks like for those that don't know. So this is what a tulle looks like. Can you see? And for this I have about 3 inches for the width. Can you see? 3 inches for the width. And I also, what I'm doing is I'm folding it into two in like manner. Can you see? I'm folding it like this. This is what it looks like after fixing it. But if you want it to be no more ruffled than this, for example, what I have right here, look at this. Can you see? The width of the tulle I used for this ruffle is wider than 3 inches. For this I used about 4.5 inches for the width. That is why it is fuller. Can you see it? Compared to the one I used 3 inches. And by the time I folded it, I have about 1.5 inches. Can you see it? So what I will do now is to start doing the ruffles around the neckline in like manner. So I will do that now. You can see the zipper of the dress is opened, so it will be easy for me. Now let me start. Please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that now. Click on the subscribe button down below. So the first thing you will do is to pick your tulle after you've cut it out to your desired size, as wide as you want the width to be. So we fold it in like manner. Can you see it? I'll fold it into two, and the edge here I'll just you don't have to bother about the edges because it doesn't frail. Can you see? It doesn't frail, so you don't have any issue with that. So I'll just fold it in like manner and place it wherever I want the ruffles to start from. Can you see? So since I already did one roll of ruffles, I'll make sure this second part goes under it, a little bit under the first ruffles. So I will start doing the ruffles now. Another thing you should note is that you should use a matching thread with any color of the tulle you are working with. Please make sure you use a matching thread, a thread of the same color. So I will start now. The first thing is to make sure your needle is right in the tulle and the fabric as shown. Then you start gathering it. Can you see? Little by little, how full you want it, you start gathering it. Can you see? The footer is still up. You can see I'm gathering it, and be mindful of the fabric so it doesn't rumple. So I will, can you see? And start. So when you stitch it a little, you lift up the footer again. Make sure the needle is still inside the tulle and the fabric, and also gather it in like manner. Can you see? Gather it, gather it. I hope you can see. Gather it. So guys, this is the end of the first strip. I will ruffle it up and pick the next strip. So wherever the tool you are working with stops, just continue from there. Can you see? Already pick another strip. I'll fold it and also continue from where the other one stops. So that is how you are going to do it until you get the amount of ruffles you want.